Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LG Smart Monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily modify your quick settings view. At first you have to click on your remote, this gear icon. This is not original remote, I know, but who cares, actually, it works. And as you can see here we have our quick settings menu. Now, as you can see, to modify this menu, we can go right to this pen icon. Here, as you can see, we can edit. We have the edit mode, and we have the picture mode, palm brightness, sound out, standard sound mode, sleep timer, eye care mode, game optimizer, screen off, or this plus. We can use this plus to add any settings, any setting which is from here. For example, we can add volume limit mode and move it to here. We can click, for example, on sleep timer. We can move the sleep timer here, and we can delete, for example, eye care mode, which is using the click and delete. Here, are you sure you want to delete eye care mode? Yes. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.